In this part, I will be installing the rear swing arm. I already had pushed up the old bushings and installed new bushings into this. All now it's just getting it back on. So here I'm just gonna go ahead and fast forward the whole work until it's complete. Okay. Alright, so that's it for today. Just got that. Gotta get the wheel. Gotta get that brake taken care of. And so we gotta change all this out. But other than that, swing arm is back on. We gotta clean the carbs, change the oil, just a little bit of things, and hopefully charge the battery, and hopefully we can get back on the road soon. All right guys, I'll see you in the next one.